complete surprise. What's this?
The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Jackson County in south-central Michigan, southeastern Ingham County in south-central Michigan, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Grass Lake, or 9 miles west of Chelsea, moving west at 30 miles per hour.
West?
Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jackson, Leslie, Stockbridge, Grass Lake, Leone, Bunker Hill, Dansville, Eden, Fitchburg, Tompkins, Rives Junction, Munith. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now here is your local forecast.
Oh my god, yes! That's my first alert, outside of the state. So that means I got an SVR in Michigan. Let's go.